Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make glowing outline in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, we're going to duplicate our layer. Now select the quick selection tool and select our subject. Now after that, create a mask. Now create a new layer and then right click to your canvas. Now select stroke and then change its width to about 30px, and then you can change the color to white. Now click the outside and then click OK. Now right click this layer and then select the blending option. Now select this inner glow and then change its color to any color you like. Now after that, copy the tag of the chosen color. We're gonna go to use that later. Now just play along with the settings of inner glow and then go over ahead and this outer glow and then paste the color right here. Now just play along also to the settings. Now check also this drop shadow and change its color to same color as we did before. Now you can play along also to the settings. Now if you want to add some effect on the skin, just use your brush tool and just change that to multiply. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.